Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the variable length keyword arguments. Now, as we have already discussed about the keyword arguments in the last video, in this video we are going to focus upon the variable length. What is the variable length? Means we can pass n number of parameters along its value inside the function by using the double star kwargs. Now, what is kwargs? Kwargs is a variable name. Now here is the function. We have passed double star kwargs and we have used the for loop to print the name and the value which we will store inside the items function. With the help of the item function, we are able to access the name and the value which we will pass while calling the function. Okay. Here, print name, value, and end keyword. I have used the end keyword. Okay. I have explained the usage of the end keyword in one of my videos. I will share the link of that particular video in my description box. You can check it out. Okay. Now, here we have passed a equal to 10, b equal to 3.14. Now, what is a? A is a parameter, 10 is a argument. Similarly, b is a parameter and 3.14 is the argument. Okay. Now I have written some code in the pie chart. Let's see. I have made the function. Okay. Here I have passed double star y. Now we can use any variable name. Okay. It is not any compulsion to use kwargs only. You can use any variable. For loop, same items function. And here I have used the delimiter, this line. Now I have passed the parameters according to my requirement. In the first function, while calling it, I have passed name, age, profession, city. In the second, I have passed name, profession, city. Okay. Now I will execute the code. Now you can see the output, right? So I hope it is clear to all of you. And if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.